Fethu. Let me change the camera. As the camera doesn't wanna change, Marafiri. If you know this place, you know. If you know this place, you know. Ngiceda ukufika Orlando Stadium. Just reach Orlando Stadium, Bafethu. Halfway to where I stay. I'm like, it's like not even halfway. Just a few steps away from where I stay. Yeah. Didn't share this video just because I want to trend. I didn't make these videos because I want to trend or something. Just wanted to motivate one child out there with yazini mfethu. Life in only catch yourself, la mandla uNkulunkulu akakunikeze wona and your family. You got the people around you that really show you support. And you got like yourself and you got God. And you just have to make sure that you do whatever you gotta do to survive, my nigga. I walked from Johannesburg to here, not for the first time, but I've been doing this from the beginning of my training. It's the last time, like it's my last day of training. And actually today I wasn't even training. I just had to go and fucking do my fingerprints and all that vandaag, but still, gotta do what I gotta do. This Orlando Stadium, Bafethu, right here. This is the stadium, Baba. This is the stadium right here, bruv. This Orlando Stadium, my nigga. I just wanna say to all the hustlers out there, push 'em mfethu, phikelela. Ngabheke emuva, pressa push up under play, wante sophumelela bafethu, yabo. Thwe tira kankani, senza ngenkani right there. Senza ngenkani right there. This Orlando, fit, this Orlando Stadium. Yeah, just with obvious. I don't have like a flashlight in front. I'm not using an iPhone. Mara ngizoyithenga iPhone kulo nyaka. Yeah, that's the shit, man. That's the shit. That's the shit. Motivate umntana omunye umzali ukuthi yazini mfethu. Vuka every day uyophanda isipani uzosithola. Noma kunzima kanjani, Brian, uNkulunkulu sithanda sonke ngendlela ehlukahlukene, kodwa mfethu phusha uzobusiseka. Yabo. So from less to that, fit this Orlando Stadium. I'm not fucking bluffing, but fit this Orlando Stadium. I walked from Johannesburg to here. Final destination, this is the last video. Fit lento siyayenza ngenkani. Impumelelo lento isegazini. Pile soft isegazini. Ukuba imillionaire kusegazini. Ukuba famous kusegazini. Uthi ngithatha intombi yakho kusegazini. Ukuthi ngibe ibhosa kusegazini. Uthi ngihasle kanje kusegazini. Pile soft segazini, pile mnandi segazini. Pile soft impile mnandi baba into segazini. Yeah baba, bathi mfethu pile mnandi ye funa ungakhathali. Sebenza ubusuku nemini ungadineki pile mnandi we. That's the shit, my G. Your boy Senko C. My fucking walk from Johannesburg to Soweto is coming to an end. It's ending right here. And this is the last video I share here in front of Orlando Stadium. Yeah. Because why? Oh, nigga, I'm a hustler, baba. Ngisho ke hustler kankani. Zaka kito tshwara kankani, baba. Na kito ba famous kankani. Kito ba lizaka kankani, braya. Ka unshebe gantle. Kana kya betcha kana mfethu. Nakana kya betcha mfethu. I'm part of the 1% that everyone in this world fears. Everybody must put that in their mind. Part of the 1% that rules the world. Trust and believe in that.